How to backup phone contacts to Gmail. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can backup your contacts number to your Gmail account. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So go to your contacts number list, and then here you'll get three dots. So tap on here and then tap on manage contacts, and then here you'll get export contacts, and then tap on allow, and then you have to tap on internal storage, and then again tap on export and wait a while, and then tap on OK, and now open your file manager, and then go to your internal storage, and then go to download, and now scroll down a little bit, and here you'll get contacts.vcf file, and now you have to remember this file location, and now open Google Chrome browser or any browser you want, and then here type in google.com, and then at the upper right side you will get your Gmail account's profile picture. If you haven't signed in your Gmail account on this web browser, then sign in your Gmail account here. Then you have to tap on this 9 dots icon. So tap on here 9 dots icon, and after that you have to tap on contacts, and then tap on stay on web, and then tap on import contacts, then tap on select file, and now select that file, and then tap on import and wait a while. And as you can see that my all contact numbers have been uploaded to my Gmail account. So that's how you can backup your all contact numbers to your Gmail account. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.